अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स। हमारा आज का टॉपिक है ग्रामर वर्क। द लेसन वी हैव ऑलरेडी लर्नड दिस टोबैको द साइलेंट किलर। उसका आज ग्रामर वर्क करना है। लुक एट द sentences, two sentences we have written on the board. He has been playing since morning. They have been working for 5 hours. In these sentences, the underlined words or in present perfect tense. In this tense, we use has और have plus has या have के साथ हम been या वर्ब की ing फॉर्म का इस्तेमाल करते हैं। इससे हम कहते हैं ing फॉर्म को हम प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल कहते हैं। We use has with he or she, it and third person singular subjects. We use have with I, we, you, they and plural subjects. We use the present perfect continuous tense for actions that begin in the past and are still going on or taking place now and also show time. तो यहाँ पे याद रखने की बात है, since is used for the point of time. Like 5 a.m. Monday 1995, Eid, Diwali, etc. For is used with period of time like 30 seconds, 10 minutes, 4 hours, 1 year, 2 decades, 5 centuries. Now use the present perfect, present continuous or present perfect tense in the following sentence. जो आपके पेज नंबर आपकी बुक पे पेज नंबर 18 और 19 पे एक्सरसाइज दी हुई है, सेंटेंसेस दी हुई है, इनमें हमने यूज करना है वर्ब की प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस या प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस फॉर्म इस्तेमाल करनी है। तो पहला है द चाइल्ड डैश इन सनसेट, ब्रैकेट में है क्राई, इसमें आएगा द चाइल्ड हैज बीन क्राइंग। दूसरा है आई डैश ऑफ पेन, आई एम crying of pain. Next one is she dashed for 5 hours. She has been sleeping. She has been sleeping. ब्रैकेट में स्लीप है। तो उसके बाद है she dash so you cannot talk to her. She is sleeping. She is sleeping, so you cannot talk to her. Come quickly, I dash for you, I am waiting for you. She dashed for him through the day. She has been waiting. She has been waiting. We dash here for generations. We have been living. We have been living. We dash at our maternal home all this time. We are living. He dashed to somebody on the phone. He is talking. He dashed to his son for 2 hours. She has been talking to his son. She has been talking. They dash in my office for a month. They have been working. They have been working. They have been working. They have been working. The workers stay in the factory for 20 hours. The workers have been working in this factory for 20 years. She dashed the lawn since morning. She has been mowing. She has been mowing. She dashed her lawn. She is mowing in her lawn. It is it dash ब्रैकेट में drizzle है. It is drizzling. It dash since sunrise. It has been drizzling. It has been drizzling. The children dashed from this disease since birth. The children have been suffering. They dash unnecessarily because of you. They are suffering. We dash our best. We are trying our best. She dash hard to pass the examination. She is trying to hard. She is trying hard. She is trying hard to pass the examination. So, dear students, it was all about present continuous and present perfect continuous. Thank you.